India may announce a policy decision that could transform the global gold market. According to a Bloomberg poll, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to cut the 10% gold import tax in his February 28th budget proposal. That has big implications on the markets. Alex Steele has been tracking this development. So, Alex, what would the repercussions be on the gold market?
It would be significant. Bloomberg Industries did a great survey and said if the tax was lowered from 10% to 2%, it could actually imply 23 million ounces added to India's gold imports just this year. And that provides a key support to prices and would help to offset any weakness that we might see in China. Now, here's what happened. India loves gold. We all know that, right? A ton of the family's budget is actually spent on the metal. Has huge implications for world demand. It's a store of wealth, but also a lot of tradition. You use it for a lot of weddings, and there are 5 million weddings each year. And India bought so much that the account deficit widened so much. So they ordered about 20% of everything that's imported will be re-exported, plus this tax on imports. And bam, demand just hit a cliff. In 2013, fell 35%. Premiums were $300. I mean, it was crazy.
Wow.
And that could be changing.
So why does this make sense? Why does an import cut make sense?
Oil. Everything goes back to energy. Very exciting for a nerd like me. Okay, basically, the oil price slide's helping the account deficit moderate. They import about 70% of all the oil that they need. And Nomura estimates that for every 10% fall in crude, you're going to get a cut in the import bill by about $9 billion. Now, I was talking to Suki Cooper over at Barclays, who thinks that the cut could actually be a little bit more moderated. So down to 8% first, touch and feel, see how demand is, see how the account deficit goes, and then pare it back from there. She was stating that there was a lot of stockpiling that actually happened last year. We did see jewelry demand hit a record in 2014, according to the World Gold Council. So she says, look, there could be some stockpiling, some stocks to weed through first before India goes out in the open market and actually buys. So there could be that lag effect. She thinks maybe April is when we could see a big uptick there.